Yeah, it's just awesome. And there's a bench under there by the waterfalls. Oh yeah. Let's go sit there. Let's see if I can zoom on it.
Your Kung Fu lifestyle should include running hills, eating great organic food, and taking outdoor adventures. And we are just finishing up our 8-mile hike in Silver Falls State Park. It's about 8 o'clock or so at night. We just didn't start till late today. We're going to get back to our van, cook up some steak, have some kombuchas, all organic of course, and really enjoy the rest of this evening. I like to say to everybody, please get out in nature. It is so important for how you think, how you see the world. We need to take care of it. Awesome. These trees are just huge. Wow.